Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Extension. In this video, I will show you how to use the uBlacklist Chrome extension. This extension help you remove unwanted website from your search results and make your Google search cleaner and more useful. So let's get started. Firstly, open Google Chrome, then go to Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, you can search for uBlacklist. Click on the extension, then add to Chrome, then add extension. Once the extension is installed, click on the puzzle icon, mark it as pin. Now open any website which you want to block. Like I want to block google.com, so I will select google.com and then click on block. We will go to any other website like ChatGPT, then click on the extension icon, then open any website, and click on the extension, then click on block. It will block chatgpt.com in your search results. Now refresh the page. Here you can see this is openai.com, play.google.com. If you want to see the blocked results, just click on the extension. Then here you will see show blocked search results. Click on it. Then okay, here you will see in which chatgpt.com comes. It will be show you easily. Also, you can add manually data to this website like this. Here you can enter manually website. Then click on save. It will save this website for you. The next time it will not showing in the search results. And that's it. That's how can use the blacklist Chrome extension easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy extension tutorials. Thanks for watching.